You could be millionaire. Click hair. Uh-oh. Not good. Hey, beautiful weather today, isn't it?
What'd you do now?
It was an innocent mistake. The email said this prince was gonna send me like $3 million for...
Are you kidding me? I'm already so bogged down with software patches because you just had to download that hamster screensaver. You even sent it around.
No, I did not.
Well, yeah, you did. Because, you know why? Your brain is the size of a pea. A tiny, mushy, wrinkly...
Do mine ears heareth such insults?
Whoa, what the? Who are you?
I am the Minister Plenipotentiary of IT Utopia. I am here to make the lives of IT folk easier.
Well, thanks to this guy, I have to visit almost every desk in this office to roll out software patches.
Not so fast. I bear tidings of new technology that will help you repair infected PCs remotely. Even when they're powered off, all the OS is inoperable. Next thing you know, you'll be visiting this fellow just because you miss him.
I highly doubt that. But thanks for the good news. It'll free up a lot of time.
Time to grab a stando?
I'd rather sit in rush hour traffic.
Froyo?
With a screech owl in the back seat.
Oh dear. Speaking of owls, I just remembered I'm to meet my friend Ricky for lunch. Of course, he's an IT manager, not an owl, but he does rather resemble one, I've always thought.
T. Ellingson, Esquire here with a word from the legal department. Remote management and isolation requires an Intel Active Management Technology-enabled system. For more information, see www.intel.com/technology/platform-technology/intel-AMT.